Hello and welcome to another tier list. Today we're taking a look at the Buffalo Wild Wings sauces and dry rub seasonings. So starting us off, we have Asian Zing. This is a classic, been on their menu forever. It's a lot of people's favorite, I've found, and I still think it's pretty good, and so I think it deserves a spot up in the A tier. Up next, we have the original Buffalo. It's a pretty good buffalo sauce. If you don't really like things too spicy, but you like buffalo flavor, it's a good one. But because it doesn't have spiciness to it, I think it's just lacking that little bit of kick. So I'll actually put it in the C tier. Up next, we have their medium, basically their medium buffalo sauce. Pretty much original buffalo, but a little bit spicier. And I think that really brings it way up there. I think it makes it a lot better just adding that little bit of kick. So I'm actually going to put medium in the A tier. Up next, we have Caribbean Jerk. Now, I really like Caribbean Jerk flavor. I like Caribbean Jerk chicken, Caribbean Jerk pork. But for some reason, this sauce that I've had at B-Dubs, it's not the best Caribbean Jerk flavor. So I'm actually going to be putting it in the D tier. I don't think it's a great representation of the Caribbean flavor. Up next, we have the Buffalo Dry Rub seasoning. I think this is actually a little bit better than the original Buffalo seasoning. So if you like dry rubs, I would recommend this one. It's pretty good, but really not too spicy. Got a little bit of kick to it, a little more than original Buffalo, but pretty good. We'll put that one in the B tier. Up next, we have the hot. This is their hot buffalo sauce. Kind of like medium, but just spicier. But I found that when they add the spiciness to this sauce, it kind of loses that specific buffalo flavor. And I think the heat just kind of overpowers most of the flavor you get from the sauce. And so I actually think hot is not the best. I'm going to put it in the D tier. Up next, we have spicy garlic. Now, I really like spicy stuff, and I really like garlic stuff. So I would think I would like spicy garlic, but I actually don't think it really works in their sauce. I think they could do a much better job with the spicy garlic. I'd like to see them kind of revamp it in the future, so we'll also put that one in the D tier. Up next, we have the salt and vinegar seasoning. This one is pretty standard, salt and vinegar. If you like salt and vinegar flavored of other things, you'll probably like it on your wings. It's pretty good, but nothing really too special. We'll put it in the C tier. Up next, we have mango habanero. Now, flavor-wise, this is probably one of my favorite sauces on the list, but it is very spicy, so if you don't like really spicy things, I wouldn't try it. I really like the flavor, but I think if you have too many of these wings, the spiciness begins to overpower it a little bit, so that's really the only reason that it's not an S tier. It's just the spiciness does get to be a little overwhelming after you have like 6 or 7 wings. Up next, we have the wild, which is their wild buffalo, so pretty much the next spiciness of buffalo above hot. It suffers from a similar thing with hot for me. It's just the spiciness really overwhelms the buffalo flavor, and it's just kind of burning in your mouth, and there's not a whole lot of flavor there. Even something like mango habanero that's more spicy, I feel like has a lot more flavor, so that's going to land wild in the D tier as well. Up next, we have their Blazing Carolina Reaper sauce. Now, this sauce is super spicy. I've had one wing, and it ruined me. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're trying to do the challenge or you really, really, really like spicy stuff. The flavor of this wing, it's slightly better than their old Blazing Wing sauce was, which was horrible. But it's still not the best. There's not a whole lot of flavor there. Do it if you'd like a challenge. But flavor-wise, it's actually going to sit in the D tier as well. Up next, we have the lemon pepper seasoning. Now, I normally like lemon pepper seasoning flavored stuff, but I've had this twice, and both times the pepper has just completely overwhelmed the lemon and the taste of the chicken. Really bad. I would say probably the worst seasoning on this list. So that's gonna land it in the F tier. Up next, we have sweet barbecue. If you like barbecue, you like wings, and you really don't like any spice, this is for you. It is very sweet, it is very tangy, and it is very overpowering, so I wouldn't put too much of the sauce on the chicken. I found that they kind of tend to load on the sweet barbecue sometimes. It's good. It's not the best barbecue sauce. If you like really mild sauces, it's pretty good. We'll put it in the C tier. Up next, we have the pizza. I actually was pleasantly surprised with pizza wings. I didn't really know what to expect going in. You can tell they use their Parmesan garlic sauce in this pizza sauce, and I think it kind of works. It doesn't taste exactly like pizza, of course, but it is kind of noticeably pizza flavor. And, you know, I would recommend trying it out if you haven't tried it. I actually think it's really good. I'll put it in the B tier. Up next, we have Parmesan garlic. I think Parmesan garlic is fantastic. It's really not spicy. So if you don't like spicy things, give it a try. If you like Parmesan and you like garlic, you'll probably love this wing. I'll put that one in the S tier. Up next, we have Smoky Adobo. This is another one of their fairly newer wings. And I normally like smoky flavored things. And if you like smoky sauce or smoky meat, there's definitely a distinct smokiness to it when you're trying it. But in a sauce, I don't think it really works because normally a smoky flavor comes from, smoking the meat or whatever else you're preparing. And I think just putting it in the sauce doesn't quite work. And the flavor outside of the smokiness isn't the best either. So I'm actually also going to be putting Smoky Adobo in the F tier. Up next, we have Honey Barbecue. This is probably my favorite sauce on the list, so I'm a bit biased. You can probably guess where it's going to end up. But it's got a little bit of kick, not super spicy, but it's got good barbecue flavor. You dip this in ranch, you're gonna have a great time. Easy S tier. Up next, we have Jammin' Jalapeno. Now, I really love jalapenos, but for me, there was nothing jammin' about this sauce. I mean, I tried it and it's pretty much just there. You have some jalapeno flavor. It literally just kind of tastes like you're eating wet jalapenos with chicken. It's really underwhelming. I was really disappointed with this sauce. I love jalapenos. There's a little bit of spice there, but it was extremely underwhelming. So this one is also going to be in the F tier. Up next, we have Thai curry. If you like Thai curry flavored things, you will like this sauce. It's not super spicy. It's got a little bit of kick to it. I think it's pretty solid. We'll put it in the B tier. Up next, we have the orange chicken sauce. This one, again, it's nothing super special. If you like orange chicken at other places, you'll probably like this orange chicken sauce. It's not anything super special. It's not head and shoulders above other orange chickens from other restaurants. It's just good orange chicken, so we'll also put that one in the B tier. And then finally, we have the Chipotle Barbecue Dry Rub Seasoning. If you like Chipotle barbecue flavored things and you don't mind dry rubs, I think you'll really like this. For me, this is the best dry rub on the list, and I'll be putting that one in the A tier. So that's my list. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are and tell me where I went wrong.